Well, Assalamu alaikum friend, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Learn. Friends, today we'll learn how to multiple photo blender. Friends, you have to only install one application by which you can do the multiple change the background and blender your pictures. Friends, this is a target of me. I have to do the 1000 subscriber for run my channel, so kindly help with me and subscribe my channel. I will be thankful to you. For this we have to go Play Store, then we have to write here multiple photo blender. This is the latest version on 10 December 2018. It's already installed in my cell phone, so you have to install this. I will open it. Here are the only two options. One is start and second is my correction. So we have to use firstly start, and my correction we will use after the making the picture. So we have to go here, close this. Here are the multiple backgrounds where you can blender your pictures. Very beautiful backgrounds. From this icon you can do the paint, and by this you can take the picture. And this you can go to gallery and photos. So we will go there and we'll take the picture. This picture we will take. Okay, photo blend. Now to save. This is only saving, but if you want to create this pic, so you have to go this. Take a picture. This one. You can crop this by which way you want to do. Here are the multiple. You can crop this. Okay, I done this. Then I am doing the blender this picture. I can blend to and brightness. This is looking fine. Now I want to change the background. I want to small the size, so I can change the size of the picture. If I want to take the other, so I can take easily. Where you want to select this, you can do this. So it's up to you that how you want to use this app. You can use, and after this save this picture. Okay, this is a save. Now where we have to go? We have to go in the my correction. Go back. Here will the our correction pictures. This is a big issue of this. You can share this. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new videos. Thank you for watching video.